Now third topic of coordinate geometry is area of triangle. To find the area of triangle if the coordinates of vertices of triangle given. Now first, in previous classes we have covered area of triangle we can find if base of triangle given and altitude or height of triangle is given. Then area of triangle formula is half base into height. Also we have covered if length of sides of triangle given as A, B and C, then area of triangle. If length of sides of triangle given as A, B, C, first you find semi-perimeter. Perimeter of triangle means sum of sides. Therefore semi-perimeter, half of perimeter of triangle denoted by small s. Then using Heron's formula. This formula was given first time by a mathematician Heron. Therefore it is known as Heron's formula. Area of triangle equal to under root s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. The first case, if base given, height given, we can find area of triangle using formula half base into height. If length of sides given, we can find area of triangle using formula or using Heron's formula s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, where s represents semi-perimeter of triangle. Now third case arises. If length of sides not given, in that place coordinates of vertices of triangle given, then we have to find area of triangle. If coordinates of vertices of triangle given as A x1 y1, coordinates of B x2 y2 and coordinates of point C x3 y3, we have to find area of triangle which in reference of coordinates. By chance, if Heron's formula remember, also we can find area. First you find using distance formula, find the length of sides AB, BC and AC, and after that apply Heron's formula. But in terms of coordinates, we have to find area of triangle. If coordinates of vertices of triangle given, then area of triangle formula is half x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. There is proper order to write. If write suffix whatever written here 1 2 3 2 3 1 3 1 2, the proper order is there. It implies if x1 written, x1 means from point A I have taken x1, then y coordinates you will subtract from next 2 points in proper order A, B, C. y2 minus y3 plus x2 written, then same order follow y3 minus y1 plus x3 written, then y1 minus y2. Means if you are writing x coordinate of any point, name of triangle written in proper order, x1 written, then y2 minus y3 plus x2 then come on next point y3 minus y1, then x3, then next in same order y1 minus y2. In this process we can find area of triangle. Now proof of this formula. Since coordinates of A, B and C given, here draw perpendicular from point A, B and C on x-axis. From point A, AP is the perpendicular. From point B, BQ is perpendicular on x-axis. And from point C, CR is the perpendicular on x-axis. Now, if you observe that there are ABQP is a quadrilateral and it is a specific quadrilateral that is known as trapezium. Trapezium means a quadrilateral in which one pair of opposite sides are parallel, known as trapezium. Here BQ and AP both are parallel to each other because both are perpendicular on x-axis. Therefore, one trapezium is there, ABQP. Second trapezium, APRC, and third is BQRC. There are three trapezium. In this figure, area of trapezium formula, you know it. Area of trapezium equal to 1 by 2 sum of parallel sides into distance between them. Distance between them means distance between parallel sides. That's the formula to find. Area of triangle, coordinates ABC written here. Then area of triangle ABC write as area of trapezium ABQP plus area of trapezium APRC minus area of trapezium BQRC. Just concentrate here. First, area of trapezium ABQP. ABQP, this complete coordinate, plus area of second trapezium, this whole trapezium, minus area of trapezium below BC means BQRC. Area of sum of these two trapezium minus area of trapezium BQRC, we will get area of triangle ABC. Now area of trapezium formula, half sum of parallel sides into distance between them. First trapezium sum of parallel sides means half BQ plus AP into distance between them means QP plus half second trapezium AP plus RCR into distance between them PR minus half area of trapezium BQRC sum of parallel sides BQ plus CR minus distance between them QR. BQ plus CR into QR into now half BQ, value of BQ is Y2 plus AP is Y1 into distance between them QP we can write as OP minus OQ. Value of OP is X1 and OQ X2 means X1 minus X2. Y2 plus Y1 into X1 minus X2 plus half value of AP means Y1 plus CR Y3 into PR means OR minus OP, which we can write as OR means X3 minus X1 minus again 1 by 2, since 1 by 2 have taken common, BQ plus CR, BQ means Y2 plus Y3 into X3 minus X2. Value of QR means OR minus OQ. OR is X3 and OQ X2. Now next step, open the bracket along with X1 X2. So Y2 plus Y1 into X1 first term, Y2 plus Y1 into X2 second term with minus sign because minus is here. Bracket into X1 minus bracket into X2 plus this bracket Y1 plus Y3 into X3 minus this bracket Y1 plus Y3 into X1 minus Y2 plus Y3 into X2, so X3, Y2 plus Y3 into X3 and minus and minus plus Y2 plus Y3 into X2 bracket close. In next step, there are two terms of X1, one is here, second term of X1 is here, Y1 plus Y3 into X1. In these two terms, take X1 common, write down remaining term. Same process, x2 and x2, in these two terms x2 common, write down remaining part in bracket, and similarly x3 take common and write down remaining part inside the bracket. The result you will get area of triangle equal to y2 plus y1 into x1 minus y1 plus y3 into x1. Both terms of x1 are written together. There are two terms of x2 written here and two terms of x3. Then if common, x1 is common, the remaining part inside the bracket y2 plus y1 minus y1 plus y3 plus here x2 common, plus sign written outside, to minus y2 plus y1 plus y2 minus y3. Similarly plus x3 common, to y1 plus y3 minus y2 plus y3. Now open the bracket, to y2 plus y1 minus y1 minus y3 into x1. Similarly second and third bracket. In first bracket, plus y1 minus y1 cancel out, remains y2 minus y3 into x1 plus here y2 cancel out, remaining part is minus y1 plus y3 into x2 plus here minus y3 plus y3 cancel out, y1 minus y2 into x3 are rearrange, and we can write area of triangle equal to half x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. To remember the result, half outside of bracket written. There are three terms: first term, second term, third term. In these three terms, x1, x2, x3 written. Follow the order 1, 2, 3. Inside the bracket, y coordinates you have to write. If 1 written, then y2 minus y3. 2 written, after 2 next number is 3, y3 minus y1. If 3 written, after 3 next number is 1. Because it's circular rotation, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2. x3, y1 minus y2. In this pattern, we can find area of triangle. If coordinates of vertices of triangle given, area of triangle result you are getting half x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. One important thing which you should remember, by chance by putting value of x1, x2, y1, y2, x3, y3, after solving you are getting negative as area of triangle. You are getting negative, then you will write the region, since area is a measure which cannot be negative. Area represents amount area. Therefore, it is not negative. Therefore, you will write numerical value of area. Means by chance you are getting minus 5, you will write area of triangle as 5 only. Or area of triangle formula directly you can apply this formula. This modulus in bracket, in place of bracket you can also write modulus sign. Modulus represent absolute value, means you will not write negative. So by chance you are getting minus 5, minus 6 or minus 7, you will write plus sign, means plus 5 or plus 6 or plus 7. Now, if 3 points given, you have to prove 3 points are collinear. Coordinates of A given as x1, y1, B, x2, y2 and C, x3, y3. If 3 points are collinear, it implies triangle formed by these 3 points lie on a line, means the area of triangle will be 0. If 3 points are collinear, means area of triangle equal to 0. Therefore, apply the formula for area of triangle, half x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2 equal to 0. 1 by 2 transfer right side, so 2 into 0 means 0. The remaining part you are getting this result. Or finally we can write, if 3 points A, B and C having coordinates x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3, said to be collinear if x1 in bracket y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2 equal to 0. That is the condition for collinearity of 3 points. Now one question here. Coordinates of vertices of triangle given as 4, 2, 7, 6 and 1, 4. You have to find area of triangle. Write down the area of triangle formula. Here first point consider as x1 y1, second point x2 y2 and third point x3 y3. Means value of x1 4, y1 2, x2 7, y2 6, x3 1 and y3 4. Pattern also remember, if you are writing 4 into difference of y coordinates of next 2 point means 4 into 6 minus 4, half 4 into 6 minus 4, plus 7 into difference of y coordinates of next 2 points. 7 into next 2 point means 4 and after 4 2, 4 minus 2, plus x3 means 1 into difference of next 2 points means 2 minus 6. Simplify 1 by 2, 6 minus 4 means 2, 4 minus 2, 2 and 2 minus 6 minus 4. Further simplify 1 by 2 into 18 equal to 9 square units. In this pattern, if coordinates of vertices of triangle given, we can find area of triangle. Next, again 3 points given and these 3 points are collinear. It is given. We have to find the value of k. Since we have covered concept of collinearity of 3 points, if 3 points are collinear, then the result you can write as x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2 equal to 0. Here put the value of first point taken as x1 y1, second point x2 y2 and third point x3 y3. Write down in place of x1 3k minus 1 into y2 minus y3 means k minus 7 minus k minus 2, y2 minus y3 plus x2 that is k, then y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Next step, further simplify 3k minus 1 inside the bracket, k minus 7 minus plus k minus plus 2, k plus 2 plus k into minus k minus 2 minus k plus 2 because minus into minus plus k minus 1 inside the bracket, k minus 2 minus k plus 7. Further simplifies 3k minus 1, here k plus k 2, 2k minus 5 plus k into minus 2k plus k minus 1 into 5. Open the bracket, 6k square minus 2k minus 15k plus 5, k into minus 2k square, 5 into k minus 5 means 5k minus 5. Further simplify, so 6k square minus 2k square, 4k square. Then minus 5 plus 5 cancel out, minus 2k minus 15k plus 5k minus 2k minus 15 minus 17 plus 5 minus 2. Further 4k common, k minus 3. There are two factors. If first factor 4k equal to 0 means k equal to 0. As second factor if k minus 3 equal to 0 then k equal to 3. Means two values of k will get 0 and 3. There are two values of k 0 and 3 for which given points are collinear. Now some questions for practice. Let's have to complete. In first question, 3 points given having coordinates 4 minus 6, 3 minus 2 and 5 2 are the vertices of triangle. AD is its median. Then you have to prove median AD divides triangle in two triangles of equal area. So what we will do here is to first find D as the midpoint of BC. Using midpoint formula we can write midpoint of BC, and midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. In this process you will get midpoint. After getting midpoint, then find out area of triangle ABD and area of triangle ACD. And after solving you will observe area of ABD equal to area of ACD. It implies median AD divides triangle in two parts having equal area. Question number 2. Find the value of K for which 3 points lie on a line. If 3 points lie on a line, it implies 3 points are collinear. Collinear means the points lie on the straight line, known as collinear points. So therefore, area of triangle equal to 0. Or directly apply the formula. Collinearity of 3 points x1, y2 minus y3 plus x2, y3 minus y1 plus x3, y1 minus y2 equal to 0. Same question number 3 also, 3 points are collinear. Apply the same formula. And after solving you will get result 1 upon a plus 1 upon b equal to 1. In this process you have to complete and submit the solution.